like for everybody to start using an alignment stick. So the purpose of this is I want everybody to learn how to practice with a purpose. So if you take this alignment stick, you set it in between your feet and the ball, you should feel like there's train tracks going through your feet and over the ball, like this, so to speak. And they should be parallel with this stick. That will give you a square alignment. I think that gives us a good starting point of where we want to start at address to produce the ball flights that we want. So, a lot of people will say, well, what causes me to hit a hook, or what causes me to hit a slice? Well, a hook is produced from an inward path with a face that is closed to that path. Here comes the hula hoop. If I'm going to hit this ball and hit it dead straight, we swing on a tilted axis, right? So it's like this. If I'm to hit this ball straight, that hula hoop's going to be here. I'm going to come slightly from the inside, hit the ball, and then I'm going to exit slightly to the inside. Well, if you hit a hook, that hula hoop turns this way. If your face is closed to that hula hoop path, coming from the inside, exiting out, that's going to produce the spin that makes a ball hook. That is a lower spinning shot because you're hitting the shot with a closed club face. Opposite's true with a slice. If I turn this hula hoop this way and I have an open face or square face to this path, that ball is going to slice. Because the face dictates where the ball starts, the path dictates which way it curves. So, if you hit a ball that slices, a lot of people say, well, I didn't finish, or I didn't get to my left side. Well, it's almost the opposite. You were all the way on your left side, and the club exited left with a path that was out the end, which produced the left to right spin that gave you the slice. So, what I'd like everybody to do, set up with their alignment stick. I want them to get in here, and I want them to try and feel the extremes. I want to see if you can hit a little slice, or a little draw, and then a straight ball, and try and bounce between the three to see if you can feel what neutral is in between the extremes. So if I'm going to slice one, I'm going to slice it, and it's going to bend back to the right because my path was out to in with a face that was square to that target. If I want to hook one, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go opposite. And I'm going to swing in to out and try and get that club face close to the path. And then I want you to try and get in the middle and hit one that's straight. And see if you can get those three. And then bounce between the three and see what you can do.